record the blizzard. 2017. It's like the day after tomorrow, the movie, you know? Fucking snow up to your waist. Look at that. Look at that. That's just from the ramp. Not even down to the bottom yet. There's the bottom of the ramp. Should measure that shit. That's gotta be just about 2 feet. That's fucking insane. It's insane. So the day after tomorrow really happened. It's fucking great. This is us trying to escape from the day after tomorrow. There's what's left of my car. My SUV is in there somewhere. Just be an Eskimo and just get skis. Those are steps, if you actually believe it. Gotta dig your way out of this stuff. Little feet action here. This is a workout today, because you ain't gonna see this again. Gotta get in the garage though. Cat needs to get fed. Enough of making it. This is the clothesline. And that's what's left of the clothesline. Yeah, look at this. That's to my, above my knee. It's way up there, man. This is Eskimo shit right here. Can't even see it on the camera, but I'm my waist in this shit. It's good, like, exercise, Zumba shit. Human snowplow. Look at the cat waiting for me. That's the front of my garage. And those are blocks. You can't see me walking through the snow. This is what it looks like down there. This was my deck. I'm not sure if it's here. Oh, there it is, yeah. There's the deck. I'm waiting for a big ship to be on the side of the highway here. Like the day after tomorrow. Be some capsized shit. Be there. This is unreal. This is Alaska. I just want you all to know. If you haven't seen Alaska yet, this is what it's like to live in Alaska. That is my 4-foot chain link fence. There's about a foot left to the top. That snow is over 3 feet tall. I'm not kidding. If I was, well, look at this path. I had to trudge through. That is up. I'll measure this later, but my pants are 32 inches long. And that is up to almost the top of my pants. My cat is crying because she doesn't know what's going on. So let's get to the little thing here. We'll talk to her. What's going on, Will? What's going on? Let me see the paws. Yeah? Look at the head. Look at you. What's going on, man? You can't come out here. We got really bad snow out here. Let me see your face there. Let me see. She's like a person. Oh god, she's tagging the camera. All right, hang on, man. I'm coming in. Relax. Put yourself in there for a minute. I gotta go back to the snow. Look out. We're doing a lot of snow feet. All right. Put your snow in there. Put your little feet in there. Feet in. No, feet in. I gotta come in your house for some gloves, man. So, and the snow is still falling. So we'll have more. It's great.